Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sherry. In today's video I'm going to be doing a small haul of some items that I picked up from Marshall's and from the Dollar Tree, and then I'm going to be showing you how I'll be using those items or which bags that I bought those items for. Then I'm going to give you a quick glimpse of why the slowdown in the videos. Of course, I have been traveling like I shared and working like crazy, but I've had a lot of activities going on and I'll be going back on travel. But as you can see, I'm standing behind the black shelves that are in my office. These are currently being changed out to a PAX wardrobe system. My other side of my room, I do have my Billy bookcases, but those are not enough. And so I finally have my PAX wardrobe system here and I'm slowly putting that together. So I give you like a little quick glimpse of the ones that I already have assembled, and I still have to complete them, but I have two right here next to me. So I'll turn the camera so I can show you guys. Alright you guys, so this is one of my, or two of my PAX wardrobes that I have here in my office. My office is like a complete wreck, you guys. Like, it is so messy. And here's the other black shelf that I had on this wall that will be coming out, and a lot of my Louis Vuitton items, shoes, bags, different things will be going in the PAX wardrobe once I get all the shelves up and all the units assembled. And I had some drawers that was right here, that was right in this corner where this unit is. I had like a tall drawer system there that just wasn't cutting it, and so I needed to get something a little bit deeper and bigger. So this is the 79-inch ones because this ceiling here is angled, and so I had to get the shorter units. Now I could have gotten the taller units to go on the opposite wall, but I figured I could just go with these and call it a day. So this is the makings of my new wardrobe system that I'll be completing hopefully this week. Alright you guys, so I'm currently sitting on my floor, and these are some of the items that came out of the drawers that I had. So please again excuse the mess in here while my room is under construction. But let me go ahead and get right to the items from Marshall's in case anyone is interested in that first, and then you want to leave the video because you're not interested in the Dollar Tree stuff. I totally understand. So let's get right into this video. Alright you guys, so I picked up two items from Marshall's. The first is this Juicy Couture wristlet. Now I know you guys are like, girl, you are going crazy over those wristlets, and I do feel like I am going crazy over these because I think that these are really good inserts and additions to my tote bags. Really kind of reminds me of the Neverfull bag where it comes with that wristlet, and I feel like these are just great add-ons when I travel or when I'm at work or when I want a quick purse to kind of go out to eat. I don't have to carry the entire bag with me, so I do love having these to complement my bags. And this one is the DBoss logo pink icing, and it's called the Shout It Out wristlet. And this is in the pink icing color, and I had been looking for this color for a while, you guys, and I don't see this color very often in the store. I did see this on the 6 p.m. website, but I will not be buying anything from that website because the items are like double the price. And I already paid like 17 bucks for a little small pink card holder. I think I have it here, if I can find it. I thought I had it somewhere over here. This. I paid $17 for this. It's cute and all, but I can't really put too much in here. And so I just said, you know what, I'll just find my accessories locally if I can. But I really wanted this piece, so I went on ahead and got it. And then, of course, the shipping was free if I had like a certain amount, so I bought that one. But back to this, I got this to go with this bag specifically. I have not worn this bag yet. This is the Coach Gallery tote in the candy pink color. I share with you all that I did go back and pick this up before they had sold out. And I think that this color will go really good with this here. Now the lighting, you know, makes it look so different in person because, you know, different items absorb light differently. But together, these look so pretty together, you guys. And I hate that my lighting is so bright. But I could use this with this bag or my taffy color. So it'll be a nice complement to either of these bags. But I think I have one already that I'll be using with my taffy bag, so I really will kind of keep this one primarily for this bag. But this is the first item that I picked up. Alright, you guys, and the next item that I picked up is this light pink, and this is in the macaroon color, this macaroon wallet. This is the off the chain medium zip around, I think it's called. It's so pretty, you guys, and it matches the macaroon wallet very nicely. It's kind of almost like the size of like a Zippy, the Louis Vuitton Zippy, the compact wallet one, not the coin purse, the compact wallet, like the last one that they had, not the original one. So this one is like, but the inside is kind of designed like the original one. I don't know if that makes sense. If you're familiar with the Louis Vuitton Zippy compact wallet, the inside, the first model opened like this. It was a lay flat version, and the second one was like an accordion style, but it was this size. So that's kind of what I mean when I say like the first one with the lay flat, but the size is much more comparable to the second one. So that's it there. So pretty, you guys. I really am excited to have this. Has a gold hardware, and again, let me give you a shot of that with the card holders on the inside. Has a pocket right here. It has this pocket right here, and then it has like here where I can put cash in here. So this will allow me to not have to fold my money, and I can put everything in here. And I just thought that this was really, really neat, you guys. I'm so happy to have found this, and this will be paired with my macaroon tote, which I am actually getting ready to stuff. This is the bag that I'll be moving into. So you guys will be seeing another video of me finally getting to put this little bag cutie to use. And I'll be using her with this, and I'll be using this charm on this bag. So another accessory to go with this. Alright, you guys, so let's get down to my Dollar Tree haul. This specific Dollar Tree I love to go into. It's the one by my daughter's old daycare. We had to take her there today because today is election day. And so I love to stop inside that Dollar Tree and buy my items because they always seem to have all the goods. So let me get these items out. These are the first two items that I picked up. And I have seen this in several of the ladies' videos here on YouTube. And I'm always like, man, I can never find that in my store. But of course, this one always has the goods. Now, because my daughter doesn't go there anymore, I never go that distance or go that way when I take her to school anymore. So today, I had to again. So I was able to stop in there and get two of these. I'm going to use these as my new makeup travel bags. I have an old one that I'm about to retire. And I love to just kind of see my little pretty ones that I have. I do have some pink makeup brushes that I would like to actually see while I'm carrying them. So I thought that this would be a good addition. Or I can use these for like pencils, anything like that. But these are the first items that I got. Next, I picked up these 3 cups. And they come in like a little system. These can be used as coffee cups or tea cups. My husband and I are stopping drinking coffee. So I haven't had coffee in a very long time. But I do drink tea. And so I can use these for tea. And these are breast cancer awareness cups. It says pink is more than just a pretty color. And then it has that breast cancer ribbon on there. Now I know breast cancer was last month. So, and this was the only one that I actually saw. So I'm guessing that this is like left over from breast cancer items that they were like promoting in the Dollar Tree. So I'm happy to have 3 of these for next year. I can continue to use these anytime. Next, I picked up this pink breast cancer scarf. Now I have like one breast cancer awareness shirt, and I wear that every year, but I wanted something where I can wear with like a white t-shirt, and I could always wear this and this would last me a little bit longer. And I do have like, I think one other shirt, but I can't remember where it's at. I don't know. But I picked this up nonetheless, and I'm so happy to have this to wear in the month of October. So next year I will be ready for breast cancer awareness. Next, you guys, I picked up some lashes. I love wearing lashes, and I picked up the Wispy Medium Full and the Wispy Natural Short. These are the short ones. See if I can get that to focus. There we go. And these are more, not the individuals. They're a little bit longer than the individuals, but they're like the individuals. And these are the longer, wispier ones. And so normally I get the strips, which I absolutely love the strips. I prefer the strips for my lashes. But I got these so I could try these out. And the best place to get my lashes are the Dollar Tree or dollar store, where they are inexpensive, and if I mess them up I can trash them, so I'm not as pressed. But these are like faux mink, and so I love getting my lashes from there. So if you ladies are looking for lashes that are affordable, there you go. Next, I got this cell phone holder. It's like little hands, and you can put like your cell phone in here. You can put like your tablet in here. I do have my pink one, but my daughter needs one as well. So I picked this one up for her to put on her tablet, because I'm not sure what she does with that tablet inside the case. But I notice at random times I always have to take it out that case so that I can clean the case or clean her iPad. And so I got this where she can have a little bit of fun with these little hands while we're on the plane or just traveling. And then I can use them as well if I should need to. But I do have my one that I was sent in my friend mail. So, but there you have it. Next, I picked up this little Type C USB cable. I needed another one to go on my thing where I charge up my watch and my iPhone. And so I picked this up, and it has this cute little strawberry. Let's see if I can block my face to make that focus. Has that cute strawberry there, and so I got this. Next, I picked up these face masks, and I don't know what it is about these face masks, you guys. I just love picking up random face masks or like different facial products in the Dollar Tree. Now, I know that these are sometimes not the best, but I find that when I use like scrubs and mask on my face, anytime you all are like, man, your face is glowing or your skin really looks good, you guys, I use the stuff from the Dollar Tree. This stuff like works wonder on my skin. I put this stuff on my skin, rinse it off with water, and I'll come do a video and my skin will look like it's glowing. Like it's literally the product from the Dollar Tree, from the dollar store. So it's not very expensive stuff, but I picked up these to just try on my face and see how they work. I got some lash glue because I just needed it for my lashes. I have ran out, and just in time. Alright, these next last items are very similar. I picked up these little clips for me and my daughter. When we do our hair, we'll put these little clips in our hair like this, and we can have matching little clips. She loves to match with me, so I got us both ones that's in pearl details, and it says love. And then last but not least, I got us these hair clips. These are our signs. I'm a Taurus and she is a Pisces. And so I got myself the one that says Taurus, and I got her the one that says Pisces. Alright, you guys, that is it for this video. If you have any questions about anything in this video, definitely comment and leave it down below. What was your favorite items? Do you girls love going to the Dollar Tree and shopping? I find that they always have the cutest little knickknacks, and it's just a great place to buy like grocery items, tin foil pans, aluminum foil, you know, household items, and just cute little accessory items. So thank you for watching this video, and as always, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Alrighty, bye.